If you're over 40 and want to stay strong and healthy, incorporating these 6 exercises into your routine can make a big difference. Stick around until the end because exercise number 6 is the most important. 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are a great bodyweight exercise that targets the chest, triceps, and shoulders, while also engaging the core and lower back. This compound exercise improves upper body strength and helps with fat loss by boosting metabolism. To perform a push-up, start in a plank position, lower your body by bending your arms, then push back up. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps. 2. Barbell back. Barbell squats are key for preserving leg strength, balance, and mobility. They target the hamstrings, glutes, and quadriceps, while also strengthening the core. Squats are excellent for increasing muscle mass and improving bone health. To perform a squat, stand shoulder-width apart, grip the barbell, and lower your body while maintaining a straight back. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps. 3. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are perfect for strengthening the back, shoulders, and arms. They also improve grip strength, which is essential as we age. To perform a pull-up, grip a bar with your hands wider than shoulder width and pull your body up by retracting your shoulder blades. Lower yourself with control. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps, or start by hanging for 1 minute if you're new to pull-ups. 4th planks. The plank is a full-body exercise that improves core stability, strength, and posture. It also works the glutes, quads, and shoulders. To perform a plank, hold a forearm position with your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core. Hold for 1 minute and complete 3 sets. 5. Burpees. Burpees are a high-intensity exercise that improves strength, coordination, and cardiovascular endurance. They engage multiple muscle groups and are great for fat loss. To perform a burpee, squat, jump your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, jump back to squat, and explosively jump up. Perform 3 sets of 8 reps. 6. Bench press. The bench press targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps, helping to maintain muscle mass and strength. It also promotes testosterone production, which declines with age. To perform a bench press, lie on the bench, grip the bar, lower it to your chest, and press back up. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps. Incorporating these exercises will help you stay strong and healthy as you age. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more fitness tips. See you in the next one.